Hi, I have a 2007 Prius Touring. For about a week, I've been having the red emergency triangle. People call it the red triangle of death, which is very intimidating. I don't like the name. So I've had that going on and off for about a week. And for my car, personally, it turned out to be that I had basically no engine oil. Which is terrible because I changed my oil 2 months ago. So I didn't think that it was a problem with the oil. I checked my oil, the dipstick was dry, and I was like, oh no. On my way to go 5 miles to go get more oil, the light went off 3 times and I got oil, opened up my gas cap. It was smoking, of course. So when I finally put oil in it and drove it back home, the light didn't go off once. And then when I drove it to town, which is 30 minutes away, didn't go off. So for me, my car, it wasn't an issue with the battery. It was an issue with my oil. And if you check the owner's manual, I think it says something like that code just means that your car needs to be maintenance required or something like that. It doesn't mean explicitly battery. So I'm just putting that out there. That may or may not be what's going on, but that's what went on with my car. Anyway, I just hope that helps somebody. I know it can be so stressful when that light goes off, so I'm wishing you guys best of luck with your car. I'm sure, like most of us, your Prius is very special to you. But anyway, best of luck and have a great day. Bye.